Morning, everyone. John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do a really quick daily what postcards sold on eBay video. You can see on the screen 13 orders for 108. I only had one order over on Hip, and that was only for like $2, $3, something like that. So, what is this? Or well, or all right. We only have $110 in sales for, what was that, yesterday, December 27th. I'm actually okay with the low sales today. I have to go clean out my other antique booth today, so I don't have a whole bunch of time for packing or doing the video today. So I'm not going to worry about it. I'm not going to fret, cry that my sales have, plummeted. These are my sales for the month. Yeah, and a goose egg so far today. That was yesterday. So there's the worst day of the month, $73. That was on Christmas. So I've had some pretty decent days. The daily average is $235 just on eBay, just for stupid little pieces of paper. I'm not going to worry that my sales have fallen off a cliff. I haven't done any listing for 2 to 3 weeks, so that will contribute. You always have to be listing. I haven't sent out any offers for 2 days. I have a couple hundred offers I can send out. I've just done nothing except do YouTube videos, prep cards for my antique booth, and just kind of veg over the holidays here. I will be getting back into listing, so these numbers will definitely improve. The orders from December 27th, got the Merry Christmas Tide Children's Sledding Sled Ride 1908. Took a best offer of $3. I think I only had it up for $3.99. Oops, let me see here. Francis Brundage, Happy New Year, Father Time Wrestling Baby New Year. You can see right there is Francis Brundage's signature. That's a classic Francis Brundage face. Best offer of $15 accepted. That's what the back looks like. Back and front. Okay, next postcard, French Navy Sailors Life Boxing Exercise circa 1910s. Doesn't look like they're actually boxing, but that's what the translation was. Now here's a great example. This is postmarked 1959, but this is a circa 1910s postcard. In my beginner guide series, I talk about this happening, a very old postcard, but not being postmarked until 50, 60 years after it was produced. This one sold for $7.99 on a best offer. This is Fern Ridge, Pennsylvania. Tobyhanna Falls near Lake Harmony, circa 1930s. $7.99. Lake Harmony, I believe, is going to be a bolo out of Pennsylvania. I've done fairly well with Lake Harmony cards. Cape Cod, Massachusetts, Steamship Company, Mass. That place, Inn and Cottages. I'm not even going to pronounce that, or try to pronounce that. Undivided back, so circa 1907 or before. $13.99 for that card. Valentine, Postman Will Know My Secret, I'm in Love with You, circa 1920s. I have a whole stack of these from the dealer auction buyout I did in August of this year, 2021. Sold for $1.99. Still make $1 or so on that card. Another one of those military World War II humor, Doctor Giving Sailor a Shot in Girl Tattoo. $2.99 for that one. Automobile advertising, circa 1954, Texaco dealer service thank you card. So this one is actually a postcard. Usually the date, there's a date code in here, and I took 1954. December 1954 is my understanding how these are dated. And this one sold for $7.50, best offer. Virginia Beach, Virginia, Marty's Lobster House seafood restaurant. Pretty cool. Linen, technically an advertising card for this restaurant. $9.99. I just feel that should have maybe be listed higher or sell. I'm sure I priced it appropriately, but that's just such a neat restaurant view that it just seems like that should have been higher. Okay, this is San Francisco Fishermans Wharf 3D lenticular day-night views, and this one sold for $9. This is one of the very few times I will put more than two photos. This, I think I was trying to get the flipping. In fact, I know I probably held it in my hands. Yeah, you can see my thumb. And I flipped it back and forth so you could see daytime, nighttime. But that's one of the very few times I think you need a third picture. That's just my opinion. Sold for $9.99. This is Christmas. Children walking through snowstorm. Artist signed Ellen Clapsaddle. $9.99. There's her signature right there. There's the back. $9.99 for that card, and it sold after Christmas. This is Raphael Tuck, Beautiful Woman, Rosalind, artist signed A. Asti, Paris Salon. This one was trimmed along the left side and not trimmed very well. Probably a $1/4 taken off the card. This is normally probably a $10 to $15 card. Because of the trimming, I sold it for $2.99, and I put it first thing in the description that the buyer probably did not read. Says the card has been trimmed. So we'll see what happens when they get the card. New York City. This is Statue of Liberty, World Trade Center, Twin Towers. And that sold for $5.99. And the one card sold on HIP. I have multiple quantities of this. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, aerial view, Three River Stadium, Steelers, Pirates. This stadium is no longer around, torn down. I think that's PNC Park now. Saw many Pirates games and concerts in that venue right there. Good times. So that is it. Short video, not many sales yesterday, and no sales today yet so far. I got to leave here in just a couple minutes to go clean up my antique booth. I will send the 190, 200 offers that I have. I will send out offers, hopefully get some sales for today. I will be continuing to work on the next series of postcard videos. Like I said, I think I have a good 10 plus videos left yet, and there's some of the more complicated ones. They're going to take me a while to do, and I don't think I'll blast them out 5 and 6 at a time like I did the last ones. If you're getting value from these videos, please let me know in the comments. You can always support the channel by buying me a beer using the affiliate links, that stuff. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching.